back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune, anything related to the Android operating system, Graph API, Windows, Mac OS, or any mobile tips and tricks. Today in this video, I'm going to share you, if you are a Microsoft Intune admin or Entra admin, or you may be wondering how you can get the app registration or the client secret notifications automatically through PowerShell or through email, right? So that once the certificate or the secret get expired, you'll get the reminder notification email through your email, so that you can renew the certificates. And this is very advanced level. You must be a global admin to uh, to check and configure this in your Microsoft Intra tenant. So as you can see on my screen, this is Microsoft Entra portal, Entra admin center. So the URL is https://entra.microsoft.com. You have to log in with your credential as a global admin, I prefer, or at least the Entra admin, and then go to the applications and you have to go to the app registration. Okay. So once you go to the app registration, you will see list of app registration. So why we need these applications? So if you are want to fetch any devices from Entra or any attributes user or anything, you want to read or write anything in Entra or Microsoft Intune, you have to you through API or through any applications or any of your tool like PowerShell or any script or from any other applications, you have to register your application, and then you can read that information from using the API, right? Or you can directly read from the portal itself, right? But some of the informations are like some of the reportings are not available. For that you need, or you want to do some automations just to read that, then you have to register the application first. I have already made video in the past. You can go and search on my channel how to register the application, how to use how to register the application, and what is the use of the app registration in Intra. So since I have already registered the application, you can see Graph API testing, and once you click on that, right, and if you go to the secrets, certificates and secrets I'm talking about here, you if you are an Intune admin or Intra admin, you must be familiar about this, why we are using this. I'm not going into detail because it's not a basic level, it's a very advanced level, right? You must be expertise to doing all this stuff. So if you go to the certificates, you have to create the client secrets, right? So I'm just giving a name, and for client secrets I'm using, so I'll be using for Power Automate. You can give any name, and the expiry is for 3 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, or custom. So recommended is mentioned 6 months, so I'll choose for 6 months, depend on your requirement or your your company cyber policy or global security policy. You can define that. So I'm just selecting recommended 6 months, and you see here, and must copy the secret ID and the value. So since I have selected 6 months, right? So starting from, it will get expired in 6th of November. So here you see, before this expiry, you have to renew that, or you want to get the notification, right? So that the admin can renew, can generate the new client secret, so that the application, whatever you want, whatever the you want, if you are reading any of the information through API call using these applications, then you must renew this application, otherwise that API call might get failed. And This credential actually it's very confidential to identify themselves for authentication services when receiving token to a wave addressable like using HTTPS scheme or through Postman application or any other application. So we recommend Microsoft recommend to use the certificate instead of client secret as a credential. So if you want to use the certificate base, you can upload your certificate and use that. There are three options: certificates, client secret, and federation credential. So I've just created for you can get multiple client secret, right? But I've just created one, and you see the expiry date is this one. So I want to get the notifications. There is no way from the GUI, I mean graphical user interface, that you will get the alert being as admin that when this certificate is going to expire and when we have to renew, right? There is no way. So what you have to do, I'll just point to being as an admin. I just want to show you one article which I found is very useful. I will not go through that article fully thoroughly. I'll just quickly show you so that at least you can understand, because this is very advanced level to to automate some of the stuff which it's very hard to remember on monitor on day-to-day basis. Being as an intra admin or end-to-end admin, if you are using any any of intra API or Intune API in any of these automation in your application or tool or wherever you are using. So this is the blog actually I found. I don't know whether I have to show or not, but I'm just quickly showing for a few minutes. So you can see how you can retrieve the Entra app registration with expiry, client secret, and certificates. So you see here how to get the EntraID application with expiry. I'll put this link as well in the video description so that you can see it. I will not go through as I have already shown you how you can find the expiration date for app client secret using the Entra admin center, and you see the expiration date as well. This is have shown for the certificates. I have just shown for client secret. So how you can export that, right? Export the app registration with the existing client secret and certificate using PowerShell. So being as an intra-admin center, obtaining expiry detail for client secret and certificates might be challenging, right? As you must navigate to each application individually to efficiently identify the expiration details, right? As I mentioned, you can always go with this Microsoft Graph PowerShell method to achieve this. And they have developed the script to solve different use cases to minimize your hurdle. So I have downloaded this one. I will just quickly show you. So if I go to download section here, and I have already opened this one, you see this is the script, PowerShell script. It is in you see the .ps1. so you just quickly run it with your admin permissions with MFA or without MFA, and it will give you the detail. So you will see these details. You can verify all these details and it will come under here, like app name, app owner, all these date of expiry and expiry date and app ID. You can retrieve all the EntraID app and expiration client secret by running this command, only this client secret parameters. I should have shown this in my Windows machine, but I don't have the Windows machine unfortunately, and I don't want to spend my time, because you can always go and read and run the PowerShell script. It's very easy, right? You want to retrieve the list of all Azure application with certificate and expiring in 30 days. You can always run this soon to expire in days, right? So this is how you can get the reports, and then how you will get the email alert. I found this another article which is actually here, how you can send the Entra app registration client expiration notification using PowerShell. So you see it's very so it's very essential to be proactive, right, about the app credential expiry and take timely action to renew and replace them, right? Otherwise, if you not automate the intra app credential expiry notifications, then maybe your automation could fail, because the certificate will get expired and it will be very embarrassing being as an admin, right? That's why they have developed, they have written, they have spent some time, thanks to the blogger, where the PowerShell script that automate the process of notifying the admins about the app with expiry credential. And this script actually which I have just shown you to track all your registration with Credential and identify the one with expirations within the specified time. It also send email alert about the upcoming Credential expiration as well, and giving admins to opportunity to take actions before any issue arise. So as you see the here, it will send Credential notifications to specific admin, specific notification for this one, and then CSV format of course. And this script will be executed with MFA or non-MFA account as well. And so I have already downloaded as I have just shown you, and you will get this kind of email alert through your email, that the app name, app creation time, Credential, and this creation time, expiration date, and friendly name as well, when it's expiring 2 days or 3 days. So you can always go download this script, run it, select any of the method provided, the execute the script with MFA or non-MFA, and automate sending the alert in your task scheduler just by running the open the task scheduler, run it, and as shown in the script. You already, maybe most of the admin already know, because you are working in a Windows environment, you already know how to schedule any PS script in the task scheduler, configure it, and then you can run it. This is how you can get the alert. It's very easy. They have the blogger has written the PS script, which is actually very useful for us. That's why I'm showing it. Try using this, and thanks to this blogger. And of course, I'm just wanting to show you. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Try this. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you because I have Mac machine. Next time, if you want, let me know. I will run this PowerShell script, and I will show you how you can get the notification for this app registration expiry. But you can try it from your end. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.